Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and you have the image ready in Photos or Files. Open Settings and go to Wallpaper. Tap Choose a new wallpaper. You do this now because Settings centralizes options and avoids accidental edits. Once you tap Choose a new wallpaper, you'll see Dynamic, Stills, Live, and your albums. Select the source. Make sure to pick the image with the framing you want, since this step determines crop and parallax behavior later. You now adjust and preview the image. Pinch to zoom, drag to reposition, and rotate if needed so faces or text aren't cropped. Choose perspective if you want subtle parallax motion, or still to freeze the image. This affects battery and visual feel. Once positioned, tap Preview to check both lock and home screens. Make sure icons or time aren't obscured. When satisfied, tap Set, then choose Set Lock Screen, Set Home Screen, or both to apply the change immediately. You finish by verifying the new wallpaper on both lock and home screens. Swipe and unlock to confirm. If the image looks off, reopen Photos and crop to a typical aspect like 16:9 or export at your device's resolution, then repeat the set steps. If the change doesn't apply, restart your iPhone and try again. Make sure low power mode isn't interfering. As a last resort, reset wallpaper settings in Settings. This won't erase data. It only clears wallpaper choices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.